This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7T versus the Asus ROG Phone 2. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. 7T has 8 gigs of RAM. The ROG Phone 2 has a whopping 12 gigs. They're both on Android 10. OnePlus on its latest version of Oxygen OS. Let's go ahead and turn on both at the same time. We'll see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Go check this out real quick. Woo! Love that sound the ROG makes on boot up. Phone is starting on the ROG 2, and it looks like the ROG 2 is booted up, followed by the 7T. And we are in! All right, let's go ahead and swipe over to where all the apps are, and on the ROG 2, turn that on. That is X mode, as you can see, and then real quick, the logo here should light up, or I think it lights up, I'm not sure. Maybe it doesn't light up. Anyway, you can tweak that in settings, but go ahead and turn on the X mode on the ROG 2, and then we'll go like this. As you can see, no recent items on either device. All apps, caches, browsers have been cleared for this test. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages, very close again. And then we'll check out the camera. Go. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. I couldn't tell IRL. And then we'll open this one, the clock, and it's very close. And then we'll go ahead and start that up and leave that running. Chrome. Man, lightning quick. And then let's see. Verge. Check this one out. Go. Ooh, maybe the 7T ad came up first. Click on these headphones. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on both phones. They both have 90 Hz display. ROG 2 can go up to 120, but right now it's on 90. Butter smooth on the pinch to zoom. Okay, let's go ahead and click something else. We'll click on this. Nice and fast, as you can see. And then we'll go to one more site. GSM Arena. Very close, maybe the ROG Phone on that one. Desktop version on both. Identical performance, as you can see. Pinch to zoom, nice and smooth due to its high refresh display. And then same thing on the 7T. Calculator on both. Woo! So fast. Play Store. Identical performance. Go ahead and do a search for my favorite app, which is this one. And then let's see, we'll click on this one. And we're gonna go ahead and install this Real Talk. Hell no. Never. Amazon. Oh, a little bit faster on the ROG 2. Not that big of a difference though, really. Identical performance like on the eBay. Very close, can hardly tell the difference. Just zooming through these apps, as you can see. Okay, the Mario Run, a little bit faster on the ROG Phone 2. Check this one out, Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Oh, hella close. We'll see which one is quicker here. And we'll give it to the ROG Phone 2. as you can see. Whoops. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Screens are vibrant too. Very nice. And we'll give the win to the 7T on this one. 7T with the comeback, as you can see. I have to say though, this swiping on the Android 10, I don't know how I feel about it yet. Asphalt 9 Legends. Which one would be faster? Oh! Call that one a draw and get rid of this pop-up. Tap play once. Okay. PUBG. Mandatory game that I have to check out. Oh, I think the 17 might be ahead here. ROG 2 catch up. Oh, you guys are the judges on that one. Okay. Get rid of all these extra stuff. What is all this? Gosh, too much stuff. Get rid of this. Okay. Okay, continue. Okay. Get rid of this. There we go. Tell you, this swiping from the bottom, from the left edge here on the 7T. I don't know, man. A little bit annoying. Gotta be honest with you. Okay. Click on this one. Now this is an 8K image that I like to use. And then we'll go ahead and choose the black and white. And then we'll go daylight. And then we're gonna do this, jack this up all the way. We're gonna save the gallery, see which one does it faster. Go. A little bit faster on the ROG 2. Twitter. Draw. IG. Draw again. Woo! WhatsApp. Another draw. Snapchat. A little bit faster on the right. So go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. So you can see everything's in the background. Now, ROG Phone 2 has a nice and hefty 12 gigs of RAM. 7T, this one has 8. So let's see what happens, right? Meow. I'm just gonna go through these apps again and look for any signs of lag, reloads, refreshes, stutters, anything weird, and nothing so far. See, look at this, the swiping from the bottom edge right here. Oh man, that is, I don't know, man. A little bit annoying. Much prefer this method. And then let's see, I forgot where I was. Right, Angry Birds 2. Here we go. Ooh, a little bit of a lag on the left. See, much easier here versus going like this. You have to get it just right. And then I swiped right accidentally. Super annoying. I don't know, maybe I'm just getting old. Know what I'm saying? Mario time, that's for show. Looking good so far on both phones. Really, just a little bit of lag on the left on that one game, but other than that, I mean, zooming through these apps, not a problem. And then clock is still running in the background. We'll check out the camera. Do it like this. A little bit faster on the right. Messages, faster on the right by a tad. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 7T? Do you have the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 6T, OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T, or a OnePlus 5? Or are you holding out for the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition? Or do you have yourself the ROG Phone 2? If you have the ROG Phone from last year, are you gonna switch to the ROG Phone 2? If you have a Razer or a Razer Phone 2, are you gonna switch to the ROG Phone 2? This phone is pretty badass. Great screen, high refresh rates, great sound, a badass looking design. Love this phone. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.